Building the rear shocks. I bought these by mistake for my Gorelli moped many years ago. By chance they are the same as fitted to the 350s and a known fit to the 250. A little bit longer, but okay to use. Got a rebuild manual from the internet and also covered in the January edition of the Owners Club magazine. I used a spring compressor I made for the Gorelli Seriani shocks, modified a little for these larger units. A bit fiddly to get the collet off to release the spring. Then just a case of undoing the top nut and draining the old oil out. The damper assembly comes apart after one nut is undone. Sorry about the camera angle. Clean to remove most of the old oil. All the parts appear to be in really good condition. Now to strip off the old black powder coat. I don't want the colour, and I found powder coat doesn't have the finish I like. It took nearly a week in Wilko's best paint stripper to soften the coating enough so I could scrape it off. It's not the ideal temperatures for painting, but I have preheated the spray cans and warmed the parts up with an old hairdryer. I applied a primer, a base coat of colour and a top coat of lacquer. And now for reassembly. A good job the rebuild manual has an exploded diagram. I've forgotten the order the damper shims go in. A little rubber grease to help the bump stop and seals slide on the shaft. Just 5-weight oil, as this is what I have left from my Honda Hornet. The manual just states special oil Marzocchi SAE 5, and the Owners Club magazine quotes 5-weight Castrol synthetic oil, so I guess mine will be okay. Did anyone spot I used too much oil, 170 cc's instead of 70? And I had to take it apart again as I think I got the shims the wrong way round. Well, I did, and that's why it looks like there's no rebound damping. So that is one shock done. Looks good to me. The internals are all okay. There's fresh oil and a good paint finish. I just need to repeat for the other shock. Did I mention the other unit? Bit bouncy.